Okay, good evening everyone. Bruce's Box Break, March the 7th, 2013. We're here to do break number 14. Last team sold was Winnipeg Jets at 1939. And the eBay time is 1752 Pacific and 2052 Eastern. Okay, we're going to get right down to business here, I think. Okay, I guess that'll work. Okay. List of winners. Thank you everyone who took part. A lot of repeat people. I like that. That hopefully shows that they're good breaks and good honest breaks, and we've been getting some pretty good hits most of the time here. Okay. I'm going to plug this recorder in just so it doesn't die on me. Okay. Serial number 4771 as shown in the eBay auction. Okay, so here we go. This is the I'm not going to do a break for probably another week. Either next Thursday or Friday, maybe both, I don't know. But, that's what it is. Just an intermission for the hockey game. Boston leading Toronto 3-1, which is good. There to tear. One, two, three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not so sure I like the angle of that camera, but I can never get the damn thing right. Anyway, good luck everyone. Again, thank you for taking part. Let's hope for a good break. Base. Base. And for the Winnipeg Jets, Howard Chuck, base legends, and like I stated before in all of them, I give the Jets to the Jets. That's just a Jets thing. Base and base. There were 3 teams that had shipping on them. I got to one before payments were made and refunded it. That was Louis. I took that off. The other 2 I issued you a refund, so as I said, I'll try free shipping tonight. Okay, here we go. Our first real hit. Florida Panthers. Deals for you, 95.76. We've got a Z rookie of Jacob Markstrom, autographed. Serial number 824 of 999. Nice hit for Ottawa. And for the Capitals, which would be Stallion 8. He's returning again tonight. That's great because he got a chasing the cup. Alex Ovechkin, not numbered. Spacer, base, and base. Last night there was a few good hits, I guess. Not as good as the night before, obviously. That box was, like I said, just a smoking box. But base. I think you only get one of those in a case, though. For New York Rangers, Eric Lindros, not numbered. Base Legends, Spacer, and base. And base, base, and our first mosaics of the night for the Washington Capitals, Mike Knuble, Eric Furr, and Alex Ovechkin. No scraps of jersey on that bugger, but it's not numbered. So, and don't worry if you see me mixing them up. That's par for the course for me. There's a spacer, Chris. You can throw that in your burning barrel and see how that works. Base and base. And we've got base, base, and for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux, not numbered, a base Legends. And we've got our second mosaics. This one is for Vancouver Canucks, and that's 604 Hockey Breaks. Welcome to Bruce's Breaks, and nice little hit there. Little scrap of jersey on there, and it's Kessler, Burrows, and Luongo, and that is not numbered. Okay, base and base. Base, base, and we've got a Z rookie of Trevor Gillies for the New York Islanders, and that's Fall Like the Wall. No autograph, but it is numbered 382 of 999. Spacer, Phil Kessel. He ain't gonna score tonight. Base. At least I hope not. Well, I do and I don't. I have him in my hockey pool, but they're playing the Bruins, so I just don't want him to win. Don't want him to score. Base, base, and Nick Fotu, base Legends for the New York Rangers. Not numbered. Those base cards aren't numbered. And spacer, base, and base. Guy Woody, I think it's Woody B12 is his handle. You probably know him from doing breaks. I had some communications with him the other day, and I think he's getting some product up. I'm going to put some breaks up. I'm not sure exactly when, but he's a real good breaker, so you should check his breaks out. Keep an eye open for him there, either this weekend or next weekend. And you know, like I say, you can get some good deals there. He's a real fair breaker. We've got a Gifted Grinders, Chris Neal, Ottawa, not numbered. And this is the first one of these that I've had. Sweet. I forget what they're called. It is called Team Logo Die Cuts. That's it. No, something like that. For the Vancouver Canucks, we got Roberto Luongo. You see the nice little jersey in there. If I can get this to, there we go, little jersey in there. And that is not numbered. So 604 Hockey Breaks, you're doing okay. Last night the newcomers done well too. A couple of them getting a couple good hits. That's a nice Nice hit. That's the first one of those that I've had in a couple cases anyway. So sweet. Now all we need is a National Treasures. That would just bring things right along. Base, base, and here's an ex-Bruin for the Blues, St. Louis Blues. Derek Sanderson, base legend, spacer, base, and base. Yeah, last pack. Let's see, last pack we should have Creases the Word and Red Hot, perhaps. Okay. There's your base. 4. Lagace 83. We've got the LA Kings, Felix Potvin. Red Hot, not numbered. And for the Montreal Canadiens and Pat 12002, Carey Price, Creases the Word. And that's not numbered. So, we got a spacer, base, and base. That concludes the regular packs. Now we've got the Dare to Tear. You can tell Boston's winning. I'm in a good mood, see? That can all change real quick with them. Okay. So who did we have there? We had Felix Potvin there. Well, we've got Felix Potvin here, but I'm afraid he's probably going to be traded. Let's have a look-see. Who will it be? Who? We've got an Epics of Hendrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings, and that is not numbered. So, that's it. That concludes it. Again, thank you all for taking part. Congratulations to those who got hits, and to those who didn't, well, I'm sorry. Try again, I guess. There's lots of breaks out there, so, you know, have at them. They're great fun. And next Thursday night or next Friday, I guess I'll see you. So until then, take care. If you have any questions, just pop me an email. Have a good night, and go Bruins.